Hey guys, and welcome back to another tech tip and guide video. In today's video, I'll show you how you can log in, reset your password, and enroll in online banking in Metro Bank. To get started, open any web browser on your mobile device or your desktop, and in the web address bar, type in metrobank.co.uk and hit enter. And then it will take you to the official homepage of Metro Bank. And there, in order to log in, you can see a login option on the top right corner of the screen. Click on it and then choose your account type. And there, you will have to enter your 12-digit customer number or username. And then click continue. And in any case, if you forgot your customer number or username, you can recover it by clicking the option below the box which is forgotten your username or custom number. And if you forgot your password, you can reset your password by clicking the first option under I've forgotten my details, which is if you are missing your security number or password. Click on it, and from there, you can change your password by entering your 12-digit customer number and entering your security number. And you will also have to change your security number and change your security question in order to successfully change your password. And if you are new to online banking of Metro Bank, you can register to Metro Bank's online banking by clicking the last option, which is register here, and then scroll down and again click register for internet banking. There you'll have to provide all the required informations and follow all the steps provided to you, and then you can enroll in online banking of Metro Bank. So that was it for this video. Hope this video was helpful to you guys, and if it was, please make sure to like this video and subscribe to our channel.